Hello there. I have had some issues these last couple of days. I've had a couple of breaks, which has been very annoying. I've had 2 in 2 days. So today my middle finger broke halfway. You can probably see just there's the break. It nearly came off completely. It was hanging on by a little bit of nail just in the middle, and I thought, oh darn, as you do. So yeah, I've had to fix it with some fiberglass strip. So yeah, I've done double-sided, so I've got a little strip, a little piece all across the nail on the outside, and I've also got some on the inside as well. Just on the inside there, so yeah, hopefully it's been reinforced well. And yesterday I broke my thumb, as you can see, and again I put some little fiberglass strip on there. Unfortunately, because it's all on the sort of the skin, I can't put any underneath, so got to be extra careful with that nail. So yeah, what I did was, because I've got treatment on my nails already, I got a little cotton bud and I sort of gently took off the treatment to get my nails bare, and then I got a little file, I got my nail glue. I bought some new nail glue, and also bought some resin recently on Amazon. So what I did was I got the glue, brush on glue, and when my nail was clean and dry, sort of both sides, I whacked it all on the front, all on the middle, all around the side, in the middle, and I sort of held it so it was at least stuck enough so I can get a file and just make sure the natural top edge here was rough, so it could sort of key to the little stickers I used, fiberglass sticker, because these are adhesive. These are the little backing, and you get these on Amazon as well. You get like silk wraps, and this is a fiberglass one. They're very similar. So yeah, I roughed up the nail on there, made sure all the natural oils and dirt and anything like that was completely clear of my nail. So yeah, got my nail glue, brushed that all in there, got it all around the inside, outside, right side, and I sort of held the nail there. So yeah, at least I could rough up the nail. So I roughed up the nail, and then what I did then was cut a little piece of fiberglass strip. And what I did was I got my fiberglass tape measure, so I measured, what sort of size length I needed, and I think it was about a centimetre and a bit. So cut that off from here. These are easily cuttable, so I cut a little piece off there, and then stuck it on there with some resin. I used resin to begin with because I didn't want to use the glue because I glue too quick. So resin is good because it glues a lot slower, sticks a lot slower, so you've got enough time to put your little piece on there, and then let it dry a little bit, and then I put some more glue on top of that, and yeah, jobs are good. So did that both sides. You can see the little piece of fiberglass strip in there. So yeah, did that with that one, so that's all nice and dry now. You can see the little weave pattern on there just about. So what I'll do is when that's completely dry is I'll give that a file down and make sure that's all smooth. There's a few rough edges on there at the moment, but yes, hopefully that will stay. Oh, I couldn't believe it. I was getting the extension cable out. I was going to hoover my car and decided to break, so I must have caught it in the cable because my nail curves there. I must have caught it and just whipped it nearly off. So yeah, that's my thumb on there. Oh, I couldn't believe it. Really couldn't believe it. Today I thought, oh flipping heck, I haven't had any breaks for ages. Yeah. So yeah, nail glue, Nail glue is good, resin is good, and my little fibreglass doofers, so hopefully they will stay nice and strong. Yeah, very annoying. There you go, that's life living with long nails. Got to expect these things. That's it for now. Hopefully they'll stay. See you all again next time. Bye bye.